viewers, welcome to Tarala, Ruchulu. Today we are gonna make tasty 1-minute chutney. This chutney will be suitable for idli, dosa and even puri. Your kid will love it so much. ఈ రోజు నేను మీకు ఒక 1-minute చట్నీ చూపిస్తాను. ఆ చట్నీ మీ పిల్లలకి చాలా ఇష్టంగా తింటారు. ఈ చట్నీ చాలా రుచిగా ఉంటుంది. Let us make the recipe. The ingredients are roasted chana dal, mirchi as per your taste, salt as per your taste and 1 glass of water. ఒక కప్పు వేపిన శనగపప్పులు, తగినంత పచ్చిమిరపకాయలు, తగినంత ఉప్పు, ఒక గ్లాస్ వాటర్. Take a mixie jar, pour all ingredients into the mixie jar except water. Now grind them into powder. Let's open the lid and let's check this became powder or not. Yes, it became powder. Now add half water and grind it well. Now add remaining water. Add more water as per your consistency requirement. Let us check our chutney is ready or not. We need to blend the chutney like smooth paste, then the chutney will be tasty. I like to eat the chutney in liquid form, so I am adding more water. After adding water, once again grind it. Now shift this into a bowl. If you store this in refrigerator, this can be stored for 1 week. Now our 1-minute chutney is ready. Please make it in your home. Tell me the review in the comments. How did you get the 1-minute chutney? Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.